Is your body storing fat more easily? Do you suffer from a lack of energy? Or the draining side effects of restless sleep? How about an increase in wrinkles and even sagging skin?
Hi, I'm Kim Douglas, and as a beauty expert always on the hunt for the next great breakthrough, when I heard about a youth hormone that was associated with reducing body fat, increasing lean muscle mass, and even reducing the appearance of wrinkles, I just had to learn more. I'm talking about human growth hormone, or HGH, and as early as our mid-20s, our natural production of HGH begins to drop dramatically.
HGH has been associated with reducing body fat, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, improving sleep, and even boosting energy.
We are talking about a proven product that has been around for over 30 years and is finally available without a prescription. That's right. Human growth hormone, or HGH, which is found naturally in the body but diminishes with age, is now available in an affordable, over-the-counter homeopathic gel.
Why should you try HGH gel? When taking hormones orally, pills and sprays lose a majority of their potency in the mouth and gut, rendering those products ineffective. And injectable forms of HGH are not only invasive and expensive, but they have the potential to cause serious side effects. Luckily, HGH gel is a low-dose, transdermal form, which has been formulated to slowly elevate HGH levels in the body.
This topical gel contains a low dose of the actual drug somatropin. This is not a booster. This is the real deal. This is the only homeopathic HGH gel available without a prescription, and now it's finally being mass-produced and ready for millions to benefit. Here's your chance to start a part-time business with some of the very best networkers and mentors in the world, and cash in on a very lucrative and residual compensation plan. Get more info now before this homeopathic HGH gel goes viral.